music to make a cool intro. Hello everybody, and yeah. Okay, so today I'm here to give you the tea on how to sell your clothes and make some extra money on the side. I'm gonna go into like a couple of different platforms to sell your clothes on, which ones work for me. So I've been selling my clothes since I was like 15. I started on Facebook Marketplace, which was kind of sus. I could have gotten kidnapped because I was 15 meeting up with strangers selling my clothes, but we'll get into Facebook Marketplace later. The first thing I'm going to talk about the most because I think it's like the most user-friendly and the easiest. So my favorite, hold on, I made notes and look what I think I'm dyslexic. This is how to sell clothes on MERCARI. So my favorite way to sell clothes is on MERCARI. It's an app, and I'm just gonna give you guys the whole rundown on how to use it. So basically the rundown is you have a page of all the stuff you're selling, and then people can like it and they can buy it, and then once your item ships out and the buyer reviews you, you get your money. It does take like a couple days to get your money depending on how fast you ship out, but I feel like it's definitely one of the most reliable selling apps on the market right now. On the market? I don't know. Okay, so you can basically post whatever you want because I feel like a lot of different people use the app, not just like a certain age range like teen girls. Literally, I feel like old people use this app, 12-year-olds, teenagers, Visco girls, people, boys. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my sale history. So basically, what sells best for me so far is definitely Brandy Melville and like workout gear, and also American Eagle jeans sell really good. Some other American Eagle clothes don't sell as well for me, but that's just for me. For photos of your item, this is kind of important because it's gonna be what makes people click on your item and see it. What I do is I just lay down on my bedspread and open up my windows for like natural lighting. I literally just use my iPhone XR to take pictures. You don't need anything too fancy. And then I just lay out the outfit cute and take some like pictures of it in different like angles and stuff. I think it works a little bit better if you add in a picture at the end of it on yourself to see how it fits on. That's just what I've realized throughout my selling years. This is going to be our item that we're selling. Okay, and also I'm not going to be like taking really good pictures because I'm just showing you guys the caption, but cool. Alright, so here's an example of what I would caption my t-shirt as. Let's say, hopefully there's nothing bad in my camera roll. Alright, okay. So basically what you do is you upload the pictures. These aren't like good lighting pictures. I just took some real quick just now. What I would name it, I would just call it like Black Brandy Melville Racing Tee, I guess. I don't know. You don't need to be like too specific of like what the exact name of the item is. You can, but I feel like everyone just kind of like browses through the tags and then looks at what they want. I put the title again in the description, but like add more to it. So I would say Black Brandy Melville Grand Tour Sport Japan GTS racing car T. I'm gonna add black in there. Okay, so I swear to God I'm not dyslexic. Don't know what was going on with me this day. I'm so sorry. Okay, I feel like that's good. I usually put the size in the caption so no one gets confused. And then I put what like condition it's in. So this is like in good condition. So I say in good, barely worn. I add like a smiley face, super cute, comfy, and perfect for lounging shirt. And then for hashtags, just put whatever's relevant to your item. I'm gonna put Brandy Melville, and then T for t-shirt. Okay, a little hack for getting your item noticed. If it looks like something like Brandy Melville would sell, Brandy Melville sells the best for me, so I just like put in looks like something that they would sell at Brandy Melville. So then when people look up Brandy Melville, your item will show up. It's like, it's not scamming, but it's like, it's true because it looks like Brandy Melville. So that's a little hack to get your item noticed. If it's not name brand, you could just say what it looks like and then it will pop up whenever someone looks up that brand. Okay, it usually like takes your captions and then like auto suggests things for you, so it makes it really fast. I'm gonna put like new because it's like new. If you have tags on it still, you press like new with tags. Size, one size only. Okay, color, black. Alright. And also another thing, if your item has like holes in it or something, you're gonna want to disclaim it in the caption and take a picture of it, or else people might give you a bad rating, and that makes it harder to sell for later. For shipping, this is what shipping looks like. You can either offer buyers free shipping or no. I usually do offer buyers free shipping because it makes it like sell faster, I guess. That's what I've noticed. So you could do a prepaid label and then you can just print it out. If you do that, I feel like it's much easier. The post office is kind of expensive to print it from. So I just press prepaid label. How much does your item weigh? I don't know, just take a guess. Calculate shipping. You can guess again to make the shipping cheaper. You can guess again to make the shipping cheaper. Usually go with 4 ounces Oz. Because it makes shipping cheaper. I ship off at Hy-Vee and they never say anything, so hopefully that's not illegal. So yeah, hopefully that's okay. So for a price, it like tells you what to sell your item at. I don't know. You usually want to make it a little bit higher than what you want it for, because then you can promote your item. So I'm just gonna say $24, $23, that's okay. And then I usually don't put smart pricing on because I don't know, I don't think it works. So then what you do now is just press list. Now, once you have your item posted and your descriptions and your pricing figured out, you can promote it until you sell it, or until you get to like the items under $8 and you can't promote it anymore. But every 24 hours you can promote your item and then it goes back to the top of the search result and everyone sees your item again. So here's how you promote. You go to selling and then you press promote. You can either promote to everybody as a public sale, or you can promote to likers only. So if you have like a lot of likes, you can promote it and set the price. Yeah, so that's why I usually put the prices at a little bit more expensive than I want to sell it for, so then I have room to like promote it and stuff. So now I'm going to teach you guys all about shipping and processing and handling and stuff like that. So once you sell your item, Mercari will send you your prepaid label and then you just print it out. You cut it out and then you stick it on your poly mailer, I guess is what they're called. So what I have for mailers is I have this big bundle of mailers I got from Amazon for $6. And honestly, I got this tape from like Amazon too for like $2. And so shipping is pretty low cost, I feel like, if you buy your own poly mailers in bulk from some type of website. So prices like add up if you keep on buying like poly mailers from, let's say, Hy-Vee. Does everyone know what Hy-Vee is? Hopefully you guys know what Hy-Vee is. I don't know if it's just like a Nebraska thing. Let me look it up real quick. Okay, I guess Hy-Vee is only a Midwestern thing, but it's basically like a giant store where you can buy food and other things. Recently they added in clothing lines. Don't know why. You can also mail stuff. You can also go to like the UPSCP, go to USPS, whatever, FedEx, whatever will take your package. There's usually like, you can look it up online, where is closest to you to drop off your package at. Is I make sure I fold it nicely. I stick it in the package. Okay, and then it comes with this. You print out your mailer. I'm just gonna pretend that this is my prepaid label. You stick it on there. Obviously try to do better than I am. Actually take time packaging. I'm just showing you guys the run through. If you're selling like Brandy Melville items, you can always like add in stickers, or really any item, just add in cool stickers, or something like a thank you note, a handwritten thank you note. That gives you good ratings because people like that, because not a lot of people do that. To get your money, so your money is going to be showing up in process, and that's like money that you don't have yet because the buyer hasn't rated you yet. So then it will go, once the buyer rates you, you rate the buyer back, it goes into your balance. A way to get your buyers to rate you faster, just send them a message and say, hey, I just got a notification that the item just got to your house, let me know how you like it. And that will give them like a reminder of to go rate the item, and also it's just nice to do. It's nice to like see it's nice to hear their feedback sometimes. The things are really nice. And then from there you click on your profile, and then you click on the little balance sticker, and then you can just transfer it right to your bank account. So you can do instant pay, which means you get it right away. You do need like a government ID, so like your license, you just take a picture and upload it to the app, and then the money will appear in your account right away. It does cost $2 for a fee though, but it's whatever. Then direct deposit takes like 5 days, but if you don't need the money right away. And then also another thing is, on Mercari, if you don't sell items right away, do not give up. Because it's kind of hard to sell your first couple items, because like no one really knows who you are, because there's like a rating system, and also you don't have like badges yet. There's just badges that you can get on your profile that say like members since 2019 is what mine says. Fast responder if you answer messages fast. Quick shipper if you ship out your item fast. And then reliable if you never cancel your item. Ratings, once those stack up and they're really good ratings, your items start selling a lot faster because you look more reliable. Now I'm just going to quickly talk about the other apps you can sell stuff on. So there's Facebook Marketplace, of course. It's kind of shady, it's kind of sus. Every time I do it, I feel like I'm going to get kidnapped, but you just basically upload it on to Facebook. I don't know. I feel like you just upload it, you wait till someone messages you when they want your item, and then you have to meet up with them in person. I think there's a shipping option, but I've never done that. But it's I don't know, I guess it's good with some clothes, and if you meet at like a public location, because don't be inviting creepy strangers to your house. That's a no-no. There's also Depop. Depop is pretty popular. I don't know, I just don't really use it that often, because I used to go thrifting a lot and sell my clothes, but then I kind of just stopped doing it once I got to college, because I didn't have like a lot of time to go thrifting all the time, and I feel like name brand items don't sell as well on Depop, and also like you have to use PayPal and connect it and everything, which I think you need to be 18 to have a PayPal now, because you need like a license to upload and you have to be 18. I don't know, I wasn't 18 when I did Depop, but like now I am, but I don't use Depop anymore, so yeah, that's a thing to keep in mind. Yeah, so I think I sold on Depop illegally when I was like 17, but... So yeah, that's the sitch. I'm about to go hand deliver my package. I hope that was informational in some way. So if you want to use my Mercari link to sign up for Mercari, go ahead. You'll get $10 extra to spend on the app, and so will I. So it benefits both of us. I will put the link down below. Gotta go deliver my package to Joe so he doesn't get mad. Then he'll give me a 5-star rating. Not sure why Joe wants a Brandy Melville shirt, but we don't judge here. So yeah, I don't know how to end this. See you guys later. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, so yeah. Should I do one of these? Okay, bye.